you probably all know New Balance. You know, the company that makes sportswear? Well, they have a cool logo. It's NB at an angle with these action-looking V's coming out of the N and the B. You could probably use a ruler for this, and maybe even do some pattern drawing so that you can mirror the patterns on the B and get them exactly the same. Anyway, you can choose however you're doing it. Watch how I do it. Here I go. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. Did you know we publish lots of fun coloring books for both adults and kids? You can get them from Amazon, Etsy, or the Art for All website. Check the link in the description for more details. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.